Fast welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you top 12 best meme coins for this year's super cycle mega bull. Videos be very special, very important. This video contains some low cap and high risky coin and some high cap and low risky coin. So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. Friends, let's start video with ecosystem meme coins. So our first meme coin is Luffy. Current price $0.057. You can see current market 57.9 million. So market cap is good. $14.9 million trading volume in last 24 hours. You can see friends, it's still we are 77% down than its all-time high. So right now coin is in massive dip here. You can see friends, these are some central exchanges where this coin is listed. KuCoin has already listed this coin, and Get.io, BingX, you can get all 12 meme coins on KuCoin and CoinX exchange. So if you not have both central exchanges account yet, I already provide you KuCoin and CoinX exchange links in description. You can sign up on both central exchanges. Friends, Luffy has definitely potential to be the next $1 billion market cap in Sui ecosystem, and we can see this meme coin to be the next maybe 500x meme coin from just 57 million to maybe up to 5 to 10 billion dollars market cap. Friends, our second meme coin is again a Sui ecosystem coin. You can see shooting Hippo Slam 10% down right now. But yesterday we see a massive rally in this coin, almost 60% pump, $34 million market for Hippo already and listed in Binance Futures. So this is really amazing. I think few weeks ago this coin was barely dumped due to heavy selling from whales, and right now in massive dip. You can see friends, 88% down than its all-time high, 145% up than its all-time low. There were 26 days ago. You can see KuCoin has also listed this coin and many other central exchanges, but Binance Futures is also listed this coin. So this is massive listing for this coin. CoinX is also listed this coin. I think we can see massive recovery soon for Sudeng coin, and this Hippo coin has potential to also be the next $3 to $5 billion market cap coin. Friends, third one is AVAX ecosystem coin. Its name is Kimbo, a super low cap meme coin in AVAX ecosystem. But friends, I think this low cap coin has potential to be the next big meme coin. 0.4 times $0.27 current price. Chart is looking good. Maybe we can see a breakout from this coin. Also 58% pump in last 30 days, and in last 7 days 54% pump. 1.9 only. Super low cap coin. Only $1.9 million market cap. And friends, you can see Avalanche ecosystem coin, dog theme meme coin. We are 96% down than its all-time high, 100% up than its all-time low. Only you can see CoinX is the I think only central exchange and Bitmart where this coin is listed. So you can buy this coin from CoinX. I'm also holding this coin on CoinX. I think in short term we can see smart cap up to 10 million. But friends, in long term, if we see a massive rally in AVAX chain meme coins, then definitely Kimbo can also be the next big meme coin. First, our next meme coin is Kakino, another AVAX ecosystem meme coin. I think high market cap meme coin in AVAX ecosystem. You can see $64 million market for this coin, $14.6 million trading volume in last 24 hour. Avalanche ecosystem meme coin. So this is really good. Made in USA, 85% down than its all-time high. So this is good. That still this coin is in dip. 85% is good. KuCoin already list this coin. Crypto.com has listed this coin, but is still not on Binance Coinbase yet. But friends, it's possible that we can see Kakino listing on Binance Coinbase, and Kakino has potential to be the next maybe $3 to $5 billion market cap coin. Friends, fifth one is Toshi, best ecosystem cat theme meme coin, 3.3 times over at $1 current price, current market $343 million. But friends, I think Toshi has potential to be the next 10 to $15 billion market coin, already listed in Coinbase. Binance listing is possible. So Toshi has also potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. Sixth one is also best ecosystem meme coin, just like Toshi. You can see friends, this is dog theme meme coin. Okay, dog with mask. His name is Siki Mask Dog. $0.095 current price. Current market $95 million. This is good. 100% pump in last 7 days. This is amazing, friends. You can see another dog theme meme coin in best ecosystem. We are 73% down than its all-time high. They were 5 months ago. Amazing performance from this coin. You can buy from Get.io, XC.com. MEXC has already listed this coin. So Musk Dog has also potential to be the next at least $10 billion market cap coin, from just 95 million to up to $10 billion market cap. Friends, seventh one is another best ecosystem meme coin. Probably, I think high market. Okay, most high market meme coin in this list is the name is Moog Coin. 0.5 times 0.11 current price. Last 30 days performance good. $436 million market. $55 million trading volume in last 24 hours. And you can see, friends, we are only 72% down than its all-time high, so this is good. Coinbase is early list this coin. You can see Gate.io, MEXC, CoinX, KuCoin. Mostly central exchanges early list this coin, including Kraken. Still Binance node list this coin, but I think Binance listing possible for Moog, and my price prediction for Moog at least, friends, 30 to maybe $50 billion market. It's really possible that we can see Moog from just 400 million market up to maybe 40 to $50 billion market cap in this year mega bullion. At meme coin is Peanut the Skrill Solana ecosystem coin, $0.4 current price. So this is good, friends. $437 million market. So this is huge, friends. It's really amazing. But you can see still we are 82% down than its all-time high. So we can say this coin is in massive dip also. Binance already lists this coin. Coinbase, mostly central exchange listing done for this coin. But because coin going to fast its first mega bullion this year, so it's possible that we can see Peanut up to $20 billion market cap. Friends, ninth one is Pipey coin, Ethereum ecosystem coin. You can see, friends, Pipey's name 0.7 times $0.68 current price. Current market cap just 28.6 million. $5 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is good. Ethereum ecosystem frog theme meme coin, a Chinese meme. So this is good. 82% down than its all-time high. Mostly meme coin that I'm sharing with you are mostly 80 to 90% down than their all-time highs. So this is good. Gate.io, CoinX, you can see, friends, CoinX already list this coin, and maybe major central exchange listing coming for this coin, and Bybit and next $1 billion market cap also. Friends, 10th meme coin is Arbitrum ecosystem meme coin, because I share you Solana chain, Ethereum chain, mostly chain meme coin. So this is very unique because working in Arbitrum ecosystem. 0.9 times $0.18 current price, $34.9 million market already for this coin. So this is good. $17 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So this is really good. Trading volume is amazing. Arbitrum ecosystem, dog theme meme coin, AI meme. But friends, still you can see we are 83% down this all-time high. So this coin is also in dip. You can see these central exchanges already list this coin. MEXC, Gate.io, Hotcoin, BitGate also list the coin. CoinX is already list this coin. You can see, friends, CoinX listed, and maybe major central exchanges can also list this coin. And this coin is very unique because working in Arbitrum ecosystem. So friends, I think has potential to be the next $1 billion market also. 11th meme coin is Nacho the Cat. This is KRC ecosystem coin. Caspach and meme coin. Okay, friends, 16. Nacho the Cat, 0.4 times $0.57 current price. And last one is my most favorite meme coin in this list that I think has potential to be the next real 1000x potential coin. $16.4 billion market for Nacho. This is good, friends. And $500,000 trading volume. And Cat theme meme coin. So this is good, friends. These are central exchanges where this coin is listed. As I already told you that CoinX and KuCoin exchange mostly listed all meme coin that I shared this video. You can see CoinX already lists this coin, and major central exchanges maybe can list this coin because high market cap coin in Caspa ecosystem and KRC20 ecosystem. I think from just 16 million up to maybe $1 to $3 billion market cap in this year mega bullion for Nacho coin. 12th and last meme coin in this list, my most favorite meme coin that I'm very bullish, is Kango. Current price report 4 times 0 to $4, 15% drop in last 24 hours, $6.8 billion market, only super low cap coin, 287 billion supply, all in circulation. This is good. No more token left to come in circulation. 85% down than its all-time high. So this is really good, friends. These are central exchanges where this coin is listed. CoinX, again, central exchanges where this coin is listed. And this is the only KRC20 meme coin, Caspa ecosystem meme coin that is listed in 11 central exchanges. Overall, I think 15 exchanges, but 11 are the central exchanges where this coin is listed. So Kango has also potential to be the next maybe $6 billion market cap and can be next real 1000x potential coin. So friends, these are all top 12 meme coins. I'm also holding this coin on different central exchanges. Now I'm very bullish on these 12 meme coins, but this video is no any financial video. If you're not making investment any of these meme coins, do your own research and then invest here. Join my Telegram channel, link in description, where I provide you all latest updates about crypto market and which meme coin I'm buying. So you can get all information on my Telegram channel. So link in description. You can join my Telegram channel.